Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download sales reports from Etsy seller app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Etsy seller app on your mobile device. Log into your Etsy account if you are not already logged in. Once on the home screen, locate the Stats tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Stats tab to access your shop statistics. Scroll down until you find the Sales section. Tap on the Sales section to view your recent sales information. In this section, look for the option that says Download Sales Report. Tap on Download Sales Report to proceed. You will then be prompted to choose the date range for your report. Select the desired start and end dates for your sales report. After selecting the date range, confirm your selection. The app will process your request and generate the sales report. Once the report is ready, you'll see a download link. Tap on the download link to save the report to your device. Check your device's Downloads folder for the downloaded report. Open the report using a compatible application, such as a spreadsheet viewer. Review your sales data to analyze your shop's performance. Make any necessary notes or adjustments based on the information you gather. That's how you download sales reports from the Etsy seller app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.